Godman Asaram Bapu joins Moral Brigade, says victims should have begged rapists to stop. Row over Asaram Bapu's outrageous remark.
बस में सफेद बस में गा रही थी और दुराचारियों ने उसके साथ अनुचित किया, मेरे दिल को व्यथा तो हुई। लेकिन अगर वो पीड़ित व्यक्ति दीक्षा ली हुई होती तो जब के बल से 6 के 6 में से 2-4 उसके पक्ष में होगा, और जो दुराचार था उनमें से किसी एक आधे ने भी दीक्षा ली होती तो 5 को दुराचार से बचा लेगा।
Self-proclaimed Godman Asaram Bapu, he's also blamed the girl for the gang rape, saying that she should have called them brothers and pleaded for...
Again, I will say the same thing. Political leaders, including religious leaders, should give serious thought before what they speak out.
Well, Abhishek joins us on the story. Abhishek, completely an unacceptable remark from Godman Asaram Bapu, who goes on to say that the victim is as guilty as the rapist.
Well, you know, not only unacceptable, but one might say even unethical, coming as it does from a Godman who has thousands and lakhs of followers and who look up to him for certain ideas on moral conduct. And this statement coming from Asaram Bapu is absolutely unacceptable. We talked to some of his followers here who are also pained. Obviously, they are part of his ring here, so they would not come out, but they are saying that they were not expecting Bapu to have said something like that. Of course, there is some element of defense also on their part. They're saying that maybe Asaram was saying that if had any one of them been Asaram's follower, they would not have indulged in this kind of act. But the point is that Asaram, by saying that a part of the blame was with the victim as well, is clearly crossing a certain line where all sympathy and all law should be solidly behind the victim. Now, Asaram is known to make these kind of insensitive remarks or insensitive handling of situations like these. We have this case of 2 children dying in Asaram's ashram in Ahmedabad, and he made an appearance before a one-man judicial inquiry almost after a gap of 4 years. He kept judicial inquiry in limbo and would not even make a personal appearance. So that kind of insensitivities Asaram is known to show, and this is a piece with that character or caricature of his that is generally seen whenever such episodes happen.
We're also getting a lot of political reactions on this outrageous remark. Let's listen in to those reactions.
So, on the background of the Delhi gang rape, Sir Asaram Bapu has voiced his line saying, victim को भी दोषी बताया गया है, ताली दोनों हाथ से बजती है, victim उस समय किसी को भाई बनाती, पैर पड़ती और बचने की कोशिश करती, घटना के लिए वे शराबी 5-6 लोग भर दोषी नहीं.
I would say that a man of his stature has made a very childish suggestion. It not only needs to be condemned, it needs to be laughed at also.